I know I said something last year and it kind of went viral, and people was calling me crazy and stuff because I said we were going undefeated last season as a Gator fan, right?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm saying what I said last year because I was hyped. I've been watching our spring football.
What the fuck is going on?
I don't see a way of us losing ever again. Like, not only going undefeated, I'm talking about murdering teams. I'm talking about beating teams by 30.
You serious?
Like, everything about my spring practice, everything about our colors look different. Our orange look oranger, our bluer look bluer.
Wow. You know,
I don't see 2024, 2025 season. I don't see us losing ever.
what did he say?
I'm not trying to over-exaggerate. I'm not trying to be goofy. I'm not trying to set nothing on fire. But something is telling me.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry. Mark, dog. Don't ask me one more. Hell no.
Damn, Tony, you did.
Extendo. Empty your clip.
So Miami has finally turned up the heat a little bit, as we told you they would.